Yeah. I say Batman all the way up. Yeah. I'm about to take off on them niggas. Yeah. And I'm Codeine Dream. And I'm Codeine Dream.
What is up, YouTube? So I got with me today the Jordan 1 Game Royals straight from Nike. I didn't get it off the sneakers app per se. I got it through the Nike Plus Unlock and was able to purchase it before its release date on the sneakers app. I think it was 2 days before. Yeah, 2 days before. But it didn't arrive until today. I won't lie, I did try to order it again on the sneakers app after I actually asked the chat customer service if I would be allowed to order another pair. I didn't win it though. And also Foot Locker kind of screwed me because I had a 7-minute head start with the app submission and they didn't give me a reminder to reserve it or whatever. I don't know. I thought that I already had it. This is the second time they fucked with me and my shoes, man, which I don't like. Both times it's with Jordan 1s. But anyways, that's another story. At least I got one pair here. Unlike the Bread Toes, I think that this shoe right here, quite a few others, not just me, got the Nike Plus Unlock for these and was able to get them without any worries. Of course, I wanted to double up. I did not get the chance to. I should have been able to, but I just gotta get over it. So let's go ahead and unbox this, man, and get right to it. And go receipt. Put that there for now. How's the lighting on here? Is it okay? Is it even focusing? I don't know. But they didn't do it upside down this time, but that's okay. It's alright. You gotta do it like this now. So put that to the side. Nike box. Suggested retail price $160, which plus tax here cost me $173.20. Every time I'm able to get a pair of ones these days. At the $160 price point, it comes out to $173.20 after tax, of course. Free shipping. Man, the smell is strong with this one. So you got the inside, the swoosh, and then the actual swoosh. I actually see no stamp on here. Should I be worried? But I'm not. Anyways, again, how could they send me a fake pair if from Nike? That would be well, that'd be something else. So let's get into this, man. Let's check it out. Let's see what I think about it. Okay, first things. Let me pop the first, well, let me just show you guys how it looks when I pop the box open, okay? Hopefully you guys can see the details on that well. I've been working on readjusting my lighting here so it's better. Now, me being here in Dallas and from Dallas and being a Dallas fan, Dallas Mavericks fan, Dallas Cowboys fan, I definitely like the colorway. It's just that, it just bugs me though, this look, like from black and then to white right there. That I'm just not a fan of. If you saw the Bread Toes, it went from black to red, but it worked. You know what I mean? I just, something about this from black to white kind of throws me off. I would have loved if this tongue right here was all white, man. Yo, I still have to decide whether I really want to keep this or sell it. I would keep it just because it goes well again with a lot of my Mavericks and Cowboys apparel. So I might keep it, but at the same time, there are a lot of other sneakers out there that are coming out that I would rather have than these. And why not profit from these? Probably like $50 profit I can get off of these. So that's not too bad. But it's your standard Jordan 1s. The colorway's got the white on the toe box and then blue around the actual toe. It's more of a plasticky feel for the entire toe area. You got the white for the midsole and then the blue bottoms. I always like though when the bottoms are like colored, but I like it better when the midsole and the bottoms are the same color. You know, the sails, even though they're not colored, I don't know if you call them colored, or I guess sail is a color, but I just love how the sails are all the same color from the bottom to the midsole. I prefer that personally, and nothing beats the leather quality on these. That's why I got 2 of these. I'm about to lace them back up again for the summertime, but then there's another pair right here of the sails, you can see there. But yeah, I mean, if we're gonna compare all 3, without a doubt, this beats both of these. But in comparison between the Bred Toes and the Royals, for those leather aficionados out there, the Bred Toes beats the Royals. At the same time though, I just like the colorway. If you're into blue, white, and black, you will like these shoes. I mean, does the leather quality really fucking matter? I don't know. I don't think so. That's just the devil's in the details. But you know, it just depends on you. For some beaters, I mean, these are some pretty high quality heat beaters, I think. Or some high heat beaters, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and get the other pair out. Again, there we go. You can see them right there. Let's go ahead. What's the thumbnail gonna look like? Okay, detail about the shoe here. Just a little mild detail because I know that you guys have seen 1,000 videos or at least 10 videos of these by the time you got to me. So of course you have your standard Nike check, which is in black on both sides. You have white for the middle area on both sides, and then you have white on the toe box and blue around the toe and accenting throughout the rest of the shoe. As far as everything else, it's just like your standard one. You got your standard bottoms right there, but they're in blue. And sizing, of course, is true to size, so I always go with 8.5s, and these fit just perfectly. Inside is just, let me take this out. White insole with blue Nike Air on both. They come with the black laces already on, and then come with an extra pair of laces, the blue laces right there. I'm going to leave y'all with some product shots and on feet. So, you know, that's a quick review of these shoes. Like, I just wanted to give an honest opinion out there because I know a lot of people are out there probably just gassing these up. But in all honesty, I think that unless you're just a huge fan of this colorway, and just a huge Jordan 1 fan, I suppose, then really you could go without getting these sneakers, man. Although there are some heat. So again, I'm going to leave y'all with the on feet and a few product shots. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, like it. If you didn't like it, obviously dislike it. Whatever, you know what I'm saying? Constructive criticism is always accepted. And I'll leave y'all at that. Peace.
face right now, I think I seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cell, or am I dreaming? Say I ain't dealing with your dog, I'm going a different way. I broke up with my red bone, I went to Milky Way. I'm riding in a Wraith, feeling like I'm out of space. Stars on my sunroof, plenty of the apes. I couldn't wait till they released me right back on the turf. I took off on you busters, left you right on planet Earth. I feel like Jimmy Neutron, how I blast off on the verse. I know my son gon' like